How to add Facebook events to your Google Calendar. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can add your Facebook events in your Google Calendar. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Facebook and make sure to get logged into your Facebook account. Tap onto your profile on your top right. At this page, scroll below and tap onto Events. Then tap onto the event that you are likely to go. Here you will automatically see the option that says Add to Calendar. If you don't see it here, tap on the three-dot icon just beside Going option and tap on Add to Calendar. Tap on Allow. Now choose your email address. And just like so, it says that that event has been added to your Google Calendar. Now go ahead and open your calendar app. Simply go onto the same month and date. For instance, the event is 25th May 2024. Now go ahead and check the date on your calendar. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.